Are 10 days enough to have a taste from Greece? People from all over Europe found out through Eurolibrary too, and this is their answer.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Greece?
Mythology, Geros, Chichiki, history, islands, civilization,
Food. A lot of food.
blue, nice people, food.
Pure happiness.
Okay, that's a lot.
So I wanted to join this project to know more about cities of Greece, and we started this journey in Skotina Beach, where it was near the mountain Olympus. So we had the opportunity to be in the nature, in the mountains, and also the beach. We enjoyed so much the nature in there, and we did also some activities around the sea to get into the nature.
This project really caught my attention because I've been to Greece some years ago, and I really enjoyed the Greek culture. But this time was different, and I'm really glad that I joined the project because I could really connect to the Greek culture in a much deeper level.
The thing that comes to my mind when I'm thinking about Greece is mythology. Oh my god, I used to read a lot about mythology when I was a child. So when I was surfing through the internet and found this project, I was like, oh my god, Greece, mythology, amazing.
One of the most important parts of Greek culture is, of course, food. And during this project, we had a lot of opportunities to try traditional and regional food in local restaurants, from homemade food.
We started first to be received and hosted and taken care by the Greek team, and they really treated us as a family, which was a great experience. They are always willing to help us. They involved their own family. They are cooking for us. They were helping us in different ways, and that was really touching.
We are combined here into families, and we have these names, family names. We're the oceans. We have Adonis, Apollo, Iris. So that's cool that we are here in Greece doing something which is connected with mythology, because mythology is a huge part of Greek culture, and that's cool.
So we continue our journey to Katerini, where we saw all the city of typical city of Greece, and we also did there our Eurolibrary in the middle of the main square, where we were seeing all the architectural scenes of it.
Also Naosa in the mountains, a very small city, which was also a cool, calm environment. And in the vineyard near Naosa, where we were for a wine tasting, was also a great experience to know the enthusiasm of this young wine producer who's following the family business, and that was also something unique.
After this, we moved to Nea Moudania, where was a city near the beach also, like as the first one we were. And we also went to the main square, where we were seeing all the landscape in there with the sea at the background.
And we also tasted Greek coffee, which is also a great part of the food culture.
Then we got to the bigger cities, Katerini and Thessaloniki, where you can see like a very live environment. Many people on the streets, many restaurants, bars, nice parks where we can just stay observing and experiencing the way the life works in Greece. And that could have been done without the caravans, but the caravans brought something they brought the cherry on the top of the cake, because they were calling a lot of attention to what we were doing, and our idea was to call the attention of the people to join us so we could share our stories. I can definitely say that it was an unforgettable experience, and I wish so many other European could also participate in a project like this, because it really helps us to see things from a different perspective and to develop more the storytelling skills we have, and to use our skills to connect deeper with people, bring up their emotions and our own emotions, so then we can see the difference between us, but also the common points that bound us as Europeans and as humans. And that was something really amazing in this project.